What's the meaning of Captain Kirk? Captain Kirk. Captain Kirk.
Captain Kirk. Captain Kirk. Captain Kirk is a fictional character in the popular science fiction franchise Star Trek. He is the captain of the USS Enterprise, a starship that travels through space on various missions of exploration and diplomacy. Kirk is known for his bravery, leadership skills, and daring exploits, as well as his close friendships with his crew members. The name Captain Kirk has come to represent all of these qualities, as well as the spirit of adventure and discovery that are at the heart of the Star Trek universe.